I am Esther, and I know everyone in this world knows that I killed. Yes, yes, I killed. I killed the family who adopted me because I envy Max, Cody, and Kate. Because Max is an almost perfect family, while me, I don't even have one because my mother died and my father left me. And Kate, I envy her because John likes him so much. But how about me? He just likes me so. I'm his daughter. Are you curious about my age? If you think I look like a 9-year-old, but I'm not. I'm already 33 years old. And I am Nina Claiborne. Esther is not my real name. I just used it because I want to get revenge to those people who are greedy, selfish, and violent. John and Kate adopt me because they think I am a very good girl and I'm very intelligent and smart. They got wrong because I'm not. I'm just here for the revenge because of what I